What's up everyone? In this video we're going to be checking out how to make Minecraft name tags in Blender. And it's not actually that difficult, so I'm actually going to quickly go through how to make everything. I'm not going to go into much depth on explaining basics and stuff like that. But you're of course welcome to look into it if you really want to, but without further ado, let's hop right into it. So let's, first of all, you want to create an empty. So you Shift A, empty planes axis, boom. And why would you look at that? The cursor is already centered. But yeah, just create this thing, this sort of graph thing, and we just move it over to where we want the name tag to be. So that is above the head, of course. Who would have guessed? And now we actually want to parent this to a bone. This is going to be sort of the thing that makes the name tag stay above the head. And yeah, so we just click onto the bone. Now that I think of it, let's not use this bone. Let's actually parent it to this bone instead, because the head, it's just going to be getting all weird and funky with the head movement. But if we parent it to the top bone over here, we just re-click onto it, boom, Control P, and parent it to this bone. So yeah, now we can actually do it. So yeah, as you can see, oh no. But yeah, oh no, what did I do? We parent it to the bone over here. And now it's gonna be the basis for the name tag. Now that we got that out of the way, we actually want to create the name tag itself. So we go and create a text object. We center it first off. So we go into the data properties over here. And we go into the alignment settings. We click on left over here, click center. So now it's in the center. We rotate the name tag, click the R and the X, and then you just type in 90. Boom. Now it's actually there. And we can actually now write the whatever username you need. So tab and type it in. So let's say Steve. Boom. Oh, yeah, boom. Tap again, and there we go. So now we actually sort of attach it to the empty over here. So we go into this little gear over here, object constraints, and create a new object constraint, which is going to be copy location. Where is it? Oh, there we go. Copy location. And over here we just kind of use the pipette over here to set the target. So we click on the empty over here, and boom, it is where the empty is. So that sort of marks it down. Now we add another constraint, lock track. And this time this is going to be the thing that controls, or the thing that sort of makes the name tag follow the camera. So we click on this again, and we use the camera as our target. So now we actually go into this and click over onto Z on track axis and lock the axis, put it to Y there. So now this rotates around, and we add a second lock track. We once again make the camera at the target, and we set it this time to ZX, and boom. As you can see, it's now pointed towards the camera. If we go into the camera itself, it follows it around. And the only problem you'll run into this with this name tag, the sort of style method, is if you make like a camera shot over here, yeah, you can see it. It kind of gets funky, but that is probably not going to be an issue since you most likely want to use such camera shots. But yeah, we got this, and now we can actually edit the name tag itself so it looks fits style. So we go back into the properties, and if you want to set a font for it, for example, you go into the regular here, click on the folder, and for this you will actually download a font from like some website such as TheFatRat, I think, .com, TheFatRat.com. You download it, you send it to a folder, the one that you use. So like Minecraft animations over here is the one I use. Over here, fonts, and this is the one I use, Minecraft here. Just click on this, and boom, it's been voxelized. And now we can just move it over a bit lower so it's not as high up. This, scale it down maybe. There. Maybe a bit more. And now that it's an object, we can actually make a material for it. So we just click on the name tag, click new over here in the node editor. And what I usually do is remove this and add a color ramp first, which is going to control the color of the name tag. Remove this part over here and set a color to, like, I don't know, let's say orange. And we add an emission node over here so that you can actually see the name tag. So connect these and set the emission to something like 3 maybe. And there we go. The name tag, it's in the style, it's following us around. The material, everything is done. So now we can actually go in here and render it. And there we go. You can see the name tag. Of course, it's not going to be this crappy, but you get the point. That is pretty much all of it for the tutorial. I really hope this helped, guys. If you liked it, like the video, everything, and if there's anything in particular you want to see, sort of tip maybe, just comment it down. But yeah, this concludes it.